Today we are going to see a simple concept of potential and relation between electric field and potential. So yesterday we discussed about the potential energy of charged particle when it is displacing, when it is displacing towards the test charge, or it is said to be a charge which is at a rest. That equation was a change in potential energy that is said to be work done. It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, two charges q into q upon r. So this was the equation. So as there is a test charge here and this is charge at rest. If this charge is moving towards this charge, distance between these two is said to be r. As distance decreases, what happens to the potential energy of the particular charge? The potential energy stored of this particular charge, which will be increasing. That was the conclusion point. Okay. Now, how this equation is in analogy with this concept of potential, that we are going to see here. म्हणजे हे इक्वेशन पोटेन्शियल कसं अनालॉजी होतंय ते आपण बघायचं आहे. ओके, आपण बघितलेलं आहे वर्क डन अगेन्स्ट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक फोर्स. Work done against the electrostatic force when the particle is moving some displacement, then that work done converts into the form of potential energy. And as distance between two charges decreases, potential energy of the charge, potential energy of this test charge, of this test charge, it is said to be increasing. How it is correlated to the concept of this potential? So here any two systems here. Now this is the test charge, okay? This is said to be test charge plus Q. Earlier this charge was here. It was at infinity. And here is said to be charge at rest. So this is said to be a field of attraction of this particular charge. So this field of attraction of this particular charge, that force acting on the second charge, it is said to be electrostatic force. This is said to be electrostatic force. Okay. So when it is at infinity, when this charge is at the infinity, how much is the potential or how much is the electric field experience here? इथे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड याच्यामुळे किती असणार आहे? 0 असणार आहे, बरोबर. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज सेड टू बी 0. या ठिकाणी या चार्जची इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किती आहे? या ठिकाणी 0 आहे. Even at this point I can say electric field is said to be 0. This point is also said to be at infinity. कारण का हा चार्ज याच्या field of attraction च्या फील्डच्या बाहेर आहे, म्हणजे तो कुठे आहे? इन्फिनिटी. You have to do work done to displace the charge into this electric field of this particular charge. मग इन्फिनिटी हा पॉइंट घ्या किंवा हा पॉइंट घ्या, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड काय असणार आहे? दोन्ही केस मध्ये 0 असणार आहे. If electric field is said to be 0, how much force experienced on this charge at this point? On this charge at this point, कुठला पण पॉइंट घ्या. You can take this position, this position, this position, or this position. How much force experienced on this charge due to this charge? 0. Why it is said to be 0? Because this is the field of attraction of this first charge, and this charge is outside the field of attraction of this charge. So it experiences 0 force due to this charge. So I can say force due to electric field. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्डची डेफिनेशन काय असते? E is equal to force experienced per unit charge. जर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 असेल तर फोर्स ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सुद्धा काय असणार आहे? 0. If force is 0, how much work done? How much is the work done? Work done is also said to be 0. If work done is said to be 0, how much is the potential energy? 0. Why? Because whatever work is done always stored in the form of potential energy. म्हणजे इन्फिनिटी पॉइंटला या सगळ्या कन्सेप्ट, या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू 0. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0, फोर्स ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0, वर्क डन 0, potential energy 0. Now you have to bring this charge from infinity to this point. I can say this point is said to be A point. This point is said to be A point. That charge is outside the field of attraction of the particular charge. Okay, so how to write definition for the potential? A simple definition here: the amount of work done. You have to apply some work on this charge to place in the field of attraction of this charge. The amount of work done in bringing, कुठून कोणावरती अप्लाय करायचं वर्क डन? इन ब्रिंगिंग युनिट पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कुठून? फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी to that point. That work done per unit charge. किती वर्क डन केला तुम्ही या पॉइंटला आणण्यासाठी? यू डन वर्क डन W per unit charge. Work done per unit charge. It is called as the potential of charge. Potential of that particular charge. Okay, so potential of the particular charge is defined as, or electric potential of the charge is defined as the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to that point. This is the actual definition of the potential of the particular charge. Is it clear? Now when this charge comes into this region, when this charge plus q come to this position A, this charge is at position A now. It is at a distance of r. Okay, मग आता इथे बघा, इथून परत पुढे चार्ज डिस्प्लेस झाला, इथून चार्ज परत पुढे डिस्प्लेस झाला. हाऊ मच डिस्प्लेसेस? सपोज इट इज डिस्प्लेसेस ॲट ए डिस्टन्स ऑफ dx or dr. हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, काल आपण बघितलेलं आहे. सो against the electrostatic force, now you are doing work done. So that work done against the electrostatic force, potential energy of the charge particle will increasing. आता मी या ठिकाणी असा पॉईंट काढतो बघा, या ठिकाणी पॉईंट ए ला असणारी पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी U1. इथं कुठला चार्ज आहे? सेंटरला प्लस Q. आफ्टर सर्टन इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम दिस चार्ज फ्रॉम पोझिशन ए reaches to position B at a distance R. काल आपण बघितलं तर दोन डिस्टन्स होते, R1 R2. आता R1 काय इन्फिनिटीज आहे, R2 काय R. शेवटचा पॉईंट बघा कसा, म्हणजे या पोझिशनला पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी किती आहे? U2. तर तुम्हाला कालचा पॉईंट आठवतोय का बघा, U2 minus U1. तुम्हाला काय मिळालं? चेंज इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. सो दॅट चेंज इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, इट वॉज, the definition was 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q upon R. Is it clear? What is this? हे बघा, मी आता कशी रिअरेंज करतो. चेंज इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी म्हणजेच काय आहे? चेंज इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी म्हणजेच काय आहे? वर्क डन. ओके, I can rearrange the term like this: 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R into Q. डिस्प्लेस कुणाला करायचं आहे? या चार्जला करायचं आहे की याला करायचं आहे? दिस चार्ज हा आहे तसा राहिला स्टॅटिक पोझिशनला. ओके, सो दिस टर्म आय कॅन राईट हिअर ॲज अ पोटेन्शियल. वाय? बिकॉज I will get here work done per unit charge W divided by Q. मला काय मिळालं? 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R. मग वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज म्हणजेच काय? पोटेन्शियल ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर चार्ज. इन्फिनिटी कडून त्या पॉईंटला आणलं म्हणजे वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज. तुम्हाला काय मिळालं? पोटेन्शियल ॲट दॅट पॉईंट, पोटेन्शियल ॲट अ डिस्टन्स R. सो दिस इज द ॲक्च्युअल फॉर्म्युला फॉर दिस पोटेन्शियल, नॉट अ एनर्जी. Potential is represented by V of R. Potential changes with respect to distance. जसं डिस्टन्स कमी होईल तसं पोटेन्शियल सुद्धा काय होणार आहे? चेंज होणार आहे. इथं किती होतं पोटेन्शियल? सपोज V1. इथं किती होतं पोटेन्शियल? V2. तुम्हाला काय मिळणार आहे? V2 minus V1 काय मिळणार आहे? U2 minus U1 पर चार्ज, ए ला असताना चार्ज इथं होता, बी ला असताना चार्ज इथं आला, बरोबर. चेंज इन पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू चार्ज. बट व्हॉट इज दिस? U2 minus U1, इट इज अ वर्क डन ना, वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज. म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय मिळालं आहे, चेंज इन पोटेन्शियल dV इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज. त्यामुळे कन्सेप्ट खूप सिंपल आहे. तुम्ही फक्त काय करा, हे इक्वेशन लक्षात ठेवा करायचं. 1/4 Q upon R. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी म्हणजेच काय, वर्क डन. वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज तुम्हाला काय मिळणार आहे, पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर चार्ज. So V of R is equal to W by Q, or simply you can define as the amount of work done in bringing positive charge, unit positive charge from infinity to that point is called as the potential. And it can be represented as a work done per unit charge. Work done per unit charge म्हणजेच काय, potential. म्हणजे potential ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे, 1/4π0 Q upon R. Is it clear? So this is the simple concept for the potential, okay, per unit charge. Now here I can write the another form of the potential of the charge. What is this? What is this? Electrostatic potential energy, na? So potential energy is equal to, बघा 1/4π0 Q upon R म्हणजेच काय, पोटेन्शियल. तुम्ही Q चार्ज साठी हे घेऊ शकता पोटेन्शियल, किंवा ह्या चार्ज साठी याचं पोटेन्शियल घेऊ शकता. कसं बघा, 1/4π0 स्मॉल Q upon R, that is the potential for the capital Q. 1/4π0 Q upon R, that is the potential for the small Q. तुम्ही कसंही रिअरेंज करू शकता, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ओके. सो पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू, व्हॉट इज दिस, potential, sorry, so this is simply potential into charge. So in the other form you can also define potential is said to be, potential can be defined as potential energy per unit charge. Potential is simply defined as potential energy per unit charge. So this is the final formula for the potential. हा एक फॉर्म आहे, हा एक दुसरा फॉर्म आहे आणि त्याची डेफिनेशन असणार आहे. ओके. सो दिस इज द बेसिक कन्सेप्ट रिगार्डिंग द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ द पोटेन्शियल. थोडक्यात लक्षात ठेवा की इन्फिनिटी कडून त्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंटला आणण्यासाठी जेवढं वर्क डन केलं जातं, वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज टू ब्रिंग दॅट पार्टिकल, टू ब्रिंग दॅट चार्ज from infinity to that point, it is simply called as a potential. It can be represented as a work done per unit charge. कारण work done म्हणजेच काय, potential energy. Work done म्हणजेच काय, potential energy. Work done per unit charge or potential energy per unit charge is also called as the potential of that charge. So keep in mind, these are the basic concepts regarding the concept of potentials. Now we can see the relation between electric field and electric potential. As you know the definition for electric potential, it is said to be a work done per unit charge, or I can say amount of work done for bringing the charge from infinity to that point. Now we'll see what is the exact relation between the electric field and electric potential. We know electric potential is what? Work done per unit charge. Therefore, I can say work done, it is said to be potential into charge. Potential into charge. Okay. So here I can say I can the two particle system. One test charge here plus Q. Second charge at rest to Q. Okay. If this is at position A into the field of attraction of this particular charge, this is position A, or I can say here position B. How much is the electrostatic force from this position, from this plus Q to small plus Q? Here is the direction of the force due to electric field. How much is the work done? बुक मध्ये फिगर वेगळी दिली, इथे मी खूप सिम्प्लिफाय करून देणार. बुक मध्ये त्याच्यामध्ये नोटेशन्स खूप आहेत, इथं आपण खूप सिम्प्लिफाय करून देणार आहे. ओके. पार्टिकल रीचेस टू पोझिशन B to position A by small displacement dr. But how much is the work done against the force? Here is the force, here is the work done. Means you are applying the force opposite to the electrostatic force. So here work done I can say it is F bar म्हणजे force into electric field dot dr bar. Force into displacement म्हणजे काय मिळतं? Work done. Force into displacement म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळतं? It is said to be a work done. Okay? Force कसा आहे? इकडे वर्क डिस्प्लेसमेंट कसा आहे? इकडे आहे. म्हणजे दोघांच्या मध्ये अँगल किती आहे? 180. ओके, सो आय कॅन राइट हियर F dr cos 180 is equal to minus F dr. That is said to be work done. हे बुक मध्ये दिलेलं नाही. Work done is equal to minus F into dr. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now we are going to find the potential. Okay? When this charge moving from B to A, when initially it is at position B, how much is the potential at this position VB? Reaches to position A, how much is the potential? It is a VA. Okay? So change in potential. Change in potential in a displacing charge, in displacing charge from B to A, from B to A. So how much is the potential change? It is VA minus VB is equal to VA minus VB म्हणजे इथं पोटेंशियल जास्त आहे. का पोटेंशियल जास्त आहे? कारण वर्क वाढलं. इथं वर्क कमी आहे, इथं वर्क जास्त आहे. वर्क डन पर युनिट चार्ज. वर्क डन वाढलं म्हणजे पोटेंशियल वाढलं. Work done increases. That's the potential at this position A will be increasing. That's why here VA minus VB, not VB minus VB. So VA minus VB is what? Work done in bringing charge from position B to A. Work done in bringing charge from position B to A is equal to minus F into dr. F into dr. But what is that? This is force due to electric field. We know electric field is what? Force experienced per unit charge. Therefore, force is equal to E into Q. Is it clear? बघा या ठिकाणी एक पॉइंट लिहायचा आहे. पोटेंशियल काय आहे? W by Q. Work done for displacing. Who is displacing? Plus Q. Plus Q is displacing. Work done to displace charge from B to A. म्हणजे work done per unit charge बरोबर आहे का? Work done from B to A per unit charge is said to be change in potential. Okay? Therefore, this change in potential I can write here dV is equal to work done per unit charge is equal to what is F? E into Q minus E into Q here, minus E into Q. एक minute, just wait. Change in potential that is said to be work done from B to A is minus F dr only. So this change in potential can be replaced as a dV is equal to work done from B to A. Charge displaced where लागला है. What is value of F? E into Q. Q charge वरती किती फोर्स अप्लाय झाला? हा चार्ज इक्विटी येताना याच्यावर किती फोर्स अप्लाय झाला? E into Q. तो फोर्स इथे डायरेक्ट केला into dr. Therefore, change in potential dV is equal to work done from B to A. आता per unit charge is equal to minus E into dr. Therefore, what is this again? Work done per unit charge. It is said to be potential, or I can write here Therefore, change in potential म्हणजे काय ते potential आहे V to A. तुम्ही A मध्ये VB करा, काय म्हणणार आहे? Change in potential, you will get some value of the potential. So I can write that potential is going to be V is equal to minus E into dr, or E is equal to minus V upon dr. तुम्हाला V नको असेल तुम्ही परत असू शकता, or minus dV upon dr, or minus dV upon dr. So change in potential, change in potential with respect to displacement, minus dV by dr is equal to E, or dV is equal to minus E to dr. या ठिकाणी dV is equal to, पण in general equation कसं असतं? in general E is equal to minus V upon dr. This is in general equation that gives relation between electric field and electric potential of the charge. So this is a very simple concept. बुक मध्ये असं काही दिलेलं नाही, बुक मध्ये तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट रिलेशन दिलेलं आहे E is equal to minus V upon dr. पण आपण या ठिकाणी हे एक्सप्रेशन फाइंड आउट केलेलं आहे. So keep in mind the definition of the electric potential and relation between electric field and the electrical potential. So try to understand this equation. This is equation and this is the second form in general form. So we can stop here. Thank you.